While the final count of releases will only be known at year end, 2025 has already emerged as one of the busiest years for Indian cinema. Across languages and regions, more than 1,500 films have hit theatres so far, yet only a handful truly dominated the box office conversation. So, which films truly rose above the rest in 2025? Here's a closer look at the top 5 highest grossing Indian films of 2025. Rajnikant's Coolie was among the most anticipated releases, mounted on a reported budget of nearly 400 crores. Featuring an ensemble cast that included Aamir Khan, Nagarjuna, and Sobhan Shahir, the film opened to strong curiosity but struggled to fully convert hype into sustained box office momentum. Released on August 14th alongside War 2, Coolie went on to earn approximately 518 crores worldwide, settling for a moderate theatrical run despite its massive scale. The biggest surprise of the year came in the form of Sayyara. Made on a modest budget of 45 to 60 crores, the romantic drama went on to collect 570 crores worldwide, becoming the highest grossing Indian romantic film of all time. The film received positive reviews, with debutantes Ahan and Aneet earning high praise, while its music dominated social media platforms throughout the year. One of the most talked about Bollywood releases of 2025, Chhaava hit theatres on February 14th. Starring Vicky Kaushal as Sambhaji Maharaj, the epic historical drama drew mixed critical responses but strong audience interest across regions. Akshay Khanna's portrayal of Aurangzeb received widespread acclaim, adding to the film's impact. Produced on a budget estimate between 90 and 130 crores, Chhaava earned 807 crores worldwide, emerging as one of the year's biggest commercial successes. 2025 proved to be a landmark year for Kannada cinema, led by Rishabh Shetty's Kantara: A Legend Chapter 1. A prequel to the 2022 blockbuster, the film released on October 2nd and explored the mythological origins of its central character. Backed by Ombale Films and reportedly made on a budget of 125 crores, the film went on to collect 852 crore worldwide. Taking the top position is Dhurandhar. The Aditya Dhar directorial turned into an overnight phenomena, opening at 20 crores and witnessing sharp growth in its second week. Starring Ranveer Singh alongside Akshay Khanna, Arjun Rampal, R. Madhavan and Sanjay Dutt, the film crossed 634 crores worldwide in just 12 days. Dhurandhar is still running in theatres and is poised to overtake both Chhaava and Kantara Chapter 1 to become the highest grossing Indian film of 2025. With films like Dhurandhar still running in theatres and rankings yet to be locked in, the race for the year's top spot remains open. But one thing's certain, 2025 has firmly reinforced the dominance of event cinema in shaping the future of Indian cinema.